Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we are going to see how to remove the hyperlink on any text or inside the slide on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to remove the hyperlink on your WPS presentation on your mobile is going to show. First of all, I'm just going to insert the hyperlink. So I'm just going to insert the hyperlink show. So I'm just going to click on this and going to the insert option first and just going to insert a hyperlink show about something. So I'm just going to delete this address and just going to paste show. Okay, let's be text like remove hyperlink. Okay, and here you can see it's actually on blue color. It shows it's have a hyperlink. You just need to remove the hyperlink. Just select it, and you will see an option pop up here. Just swipe down and you will see an option called hyperlink. Click on the hyperlink option first, or it will show the hyperlink. So if you just need to remove the hyperlink, you just need to click on the hyperlink option again on the insert option. So it shows like this. Now you will see an option called delete hyperlink. Click on delete hyperlink, which actually remove the hyperlink from the text, and it will shows the text like normally. So this is how, if you just select everything, go to the hyperlink and delete the hyperlink, you can just remove the hyperlink from the text or paragraph, something like that. This is how you just remove the hyperlink on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.